So people say it hurts. And how does it feel?
Okay.
Doesn't hurt, right? You just hear some cracking noises. I'm like very gentle. The back one though, just to prepare you, it's just a little pushing. Because the bands have been with you for so long, they want to hug your teeth and they don't want to lose. You know those bands in the back?
Okay, I'm just gonna cut your hair right there, just because I don't want to look.
You know, since I did that, I won't hurt.
All I do is fight that.
Maybe you're tightening it too much.
Okay?
No,
Almost done.
It takes like an hour to put on your braces. 2 hours maybe. And then like 2 minutes to take it off. Are you okay? Sometimes just a little bit of pushing. You are done.
In the mirror.
Are you okay?
Little piece. There you go, honey. I can't see her. What do you think?
Good. You like
It feels
them?
weird.
Weird? It'll feel better once I get all the glue off your teeth. Nice and smooth. How does it feel to be free of braces?
Feels
Are you
weird.
happy? What are you going to eat?
Something missing on my teeth.
Yeah?
A candy apple.
Candy apple? Can you bring me one?
Sure. Try.
Let's see.
Woo! Beautiful.
Awesome.
All right. You want to go over and